Hi everyone, today I want to discuss about diarrhea. Diarrhea is characterized by loose, watery stool or frequent need to have bowel movement. It is usually last few days and often disappear without any treatment. Diarrhea can be acute or chronic. Acute diarrhea. Acute diarrhea occurs when the condition lasts for 1 or 2 days. You might experience diarrhea as the result of viral or bacterial infection. Other times, it could be due to food poisoning. Chronic diarrhea. Chronic diarrhea refers to diarrhea that lasts for at least 4 weeks. It is usually the result of an intestinal disease or disorder, such as celiac disease or Crohn's disease. Cause of diarrhea. You may experience diarrhea as the result of a number of conditions or circumstances. Potential cause of diarrhea include food intolerance, such as lactose intolerance, food allergy, viral infection, bacterial infection, intestinal disease, parasitic disease, gallbladder or stomach surgery. Rotavirus. Rotavirus is a common cause of childhood diarrhea. Bacterial infection due to Salmonella or E. coli, among others, are also common. Chronic diarrhea may be a symptom of a more serious condition, such as irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease. Frequent and severe diarrhea could be a sign of intestinal disease or a functional bowel disorder. Symptom of diarrhea. There are many different symptoms of diarrhea. Nausea, abdominal pain, cramping, bloating, dehydration, fever, bloody stool, large volume of stool. If you have any symptom, then talk to your doctor. Dehydration and diarrhea. Diarrhea can also you to lose fluids quickly and put you at risk for dehydration. If you don't receive treatment for diarrhea, it can have very serious effect. The symptoms of dehydration include fatigue, dry mucous membrane, increased heart rate, headache, increased thirst, decreased urination, dry mouth. Contact your doctor as soon as possible if you think your diarrhea is causing you to become dehydrated. Diarrhea in babies and young children. Diarrhea is a serious condition in very young people. It can cause severe dehydration in an infant in just 1 day. Call the child's doctor or seek emergency care if you see symptoms of dehydration such as decreased urination, dry mouth, headache, fatigue, lack of tears when crying, dry skin, sunken eyes, sunken fontanelle, sleepiness, irritability. Seek immediately treatment if any of following apply to your child. They have had diarrhea for 24 hours or more. They have a fever of 102 degree Fahrenheit or 39 degrees Celsius or higher. They have a stool that contain blood. They have a stool that contain pus. Diagnosis of diarrhea. Your doctor will complete a physical examination and consider your medical history when determining the cause of diarrhea. They may also request a laboratory test to examine urine and blood sample. Additional tests your doctor may order to determine the cause of diarrhea and other related conditions can include fasting test to determine whether a food intolerance or allergy is the cause. Imaging test to check for inflammation and structure abnormalities of the intestine. Colonoscopy to check the entire colon for sign of intestinal disease. Sigmoidoscopy to check the rectal and lower colon for sign of intestinal disease. Colonoscopy or sigmoidoscopy is especially helpful for determining if you have an intestinal disease, if you have severe or chronic diarrhea. Treatment of diarrhea. The treatment for diarrhea usually requires replacing lost fluid. This simply means you need to drink more water or electrolyte replacement, such as a sport drink. Thank you for watching my video.